अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। दोस्तों, अगर आपने हमारे इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ में लगे बेल आइकन को ज़रूर प्रेस कर लें ताकि हमारी आने वाली इस तरह की न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। क्या तुम कल पढ़ने में मगन थे? Were you engrossed in studying yesterday? Were you engrossed in studying yesterday? मैं बहाने से मिलने आई हूँ। I have come to meet you on an excuse. I have come to meet you on an excuse. हर कोई उससे मिलना चाहता है। Everybody wants to meet her. Everybody wants to meet her. अपना सामान अपने बैग में रखो। Put your stuff in your bag. Put your stuff in your bag. यहाँ लोग मुझे चैन से जीने नहीं देते। People here don't let me live peacefully. People here do not let me live peacefully. मैं अकेला रहना चाहता हूँ। I want to be alone. I want to be alone. अगर वो तुम्हारी जगह होता तो मेरी मदद करता। If he were in your place, he would help me. If he were in your place, he would help me. अच्छा तो फिर मैं चलता हूँ। Alright, it is time for me to go. Alright, it's time for me to go. क्या ये बहुत तकलीफ देता है? Does it hurt a lot? Does it hurt a lot? तुम सोमवार से कॉलेज क्यों नहीं आ रहे हो? Why have you not been coming to college since Monday? Why have you not been coming to college since Monday? मैं आपको ज़ाती तौर पर इनवाइट करने आया हूँ। I have come to personally invite you. I have come to personally invite you. जल्दी जाओ। Go fast. Go fast. क्या आपने उन्हें यहाँ बुलाया? Did you call them here? Did you call them here? वो अपने रास्ते पर होंगे। They might be on their way. They might be on their way. मैं जितना तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ दौड़ रहा हूँ। I am running as fast as I can. I am running as fast as I can. तुम्हें याद है ना? You remember, don't you? You remember, do not you? वो सब तो ठीक है, पर वो रो क्यों रही है? That's all fine, but why is she crying? That's all fine, but why is she crying? तुम ऐसा ना होने देना। You don't let that happen. You do not let that happen. देर ना करें। Don't be late. Do not be late. ऐसी बात दोबारा मत कहना। Don't say such words again. Do not say such words again. तुम्हें इस जुर्म की सजा दी जाएगी। You will be punished for this offense. You will be punished for this offense. उसने अपने आप को बर्बाद कर दिया। He has ruined himself. He has ruined himself. कॉफी पीने का अपना ही मजा है। Taking coffee has its own feel. Taking coffee has its own feel. ये किसका पेन है? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? तुम ये कैसे जानते हो? How did you know that? How did you know that? मेरे फोन की बैटरी बहुत जल्दी खत्म हो रही है। My phone is getting discharged very quickly. My phone is getting discharged very quickly. मुझे नहीं पता केक किसने बनाया। I don't know who made the cake. I do not know who made the cake. उन्हें भड़काओ मत। Don't provoke them. Do not provoke them. खाना बनाने में मुझे 2 घंटे लगते हैं। It takes me 2 hours to cook the food. It takes me 2 hours to cook the food. आपको कोई परेशानी तो नहीं होगी? Will not you have any problem? Won't you have any problem? उसने अच्छी फोटो ली। He took good photo. He took good photo. पहले लोग लंबे कद के हुआ करते थे। Earlier people used to be tall. Earlier people used to be tall. क्या तुम भूल गए उसने तुम्हारे साथ क्या किया? Did you forget what all he did with you? Did you forget what all he did with you? ध्यान से देखो। Watch carefully. Watch carefully. कुछ नहीं बदला। Nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. लेकिन उसे हमारे बारे में पता कैसे चला? But how did he come to know about us? But how did he come to know about us? बताओ कहाँ ढूंढूं उसे मैं? Tell me where to find her. Tell me where to find her. वो आया और चला गया। He came and went. He came and went. काश अभी बारिश ना होती। I wish it were not raining now. I wish it were not raining now. तुम चाहते क्या हो मुझसे? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? तुम मेरे घर नहीं आते और वो भी नहीं आता। You don't come to my house and neither does he. You do not come to my house and neither does he. So friends, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। अगर वीडियो आपको थोड़ी सी भी यूजफुल लगी तो प्लीज़ हमारी इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और इसे अपने दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर करें। तो दोस्तों मिलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।